I'm Angela Dramoski, a professor in paediatric infectious diseases in Cape Town, South Africa. I'm based at Stellenbosch University's Department of Pediatrics and Child Health, and I'm a team member on the ANSA study, Antibiotics for Neonatal Sepsis in Africa. About 1 million newborns die in Africa each year, and about a quarter or 250,000 of those die from neonatal sepsis. So the ANSA study is working very hard together with the African Neonatal Association to bring together available data sets on neonatal infections from across African neonatal units to better understand which bugs or pathogens and what antibiotic resistance patterns are most prevalent in these babies with infection. And the increasing problem that we face in Africa is that the antibiotics that we've relied on for decades have become ineffective, and this is because of a phenomenon called antibiotic resistance. And through the ANSA study, this is really one of the problems that we are trying to solve. And the ANSA study is trying to access these data sets, to harmonize them and analyze them in a pooled fashion using a new approach to develop what is called an antibiogram that informs the choice of the right antibiotics for newborns with infection. And what we've seen over time is we are needing stronger and stronger, more broad-spectrum antibiotics to treat the same Klebsiella infection. We were really fortunate to receive the Grand Challenges Africa Seed Funding Award in the round for data science for maternal, neonatal and child health. And this seed funding enabled us to put together a team with a multi-disciplinary set of skills. We were able to bring on board neonatologists who specialize in the care of newborn babies in hospital, microbiologists who lead all of the work to identify the pathogens or bugs and the antibiotic resistance profiles, and critically, a skill set that none of us have, data science. Our aim as the ANSA study team is to analyze big bloodstream infection data sets to provide the answer to which antibiotic therapy will be most effective to treat newborns. We know that babies with infections have a better chance of survival if the first antibiotic they receive is effective at treating the bug and its antibiotic resistance profile. As African scientists, we face many challenges and we thrive on those challenges, but to have the funding to answer these questions enables African scientists to analyze African data to produce answers for our continent. These are problems and challenges that are really close to our heart. Newborn survival and good outcomes for moms and their babies is what we aim for. And so we're internally grateful to organizations like the Science for Africa Foundation for investing in African scientists to produce African solutions to African problems.